Here is both a tour and a review of the rooms at the Majestic Mirage in Punta Cana. We are going to show you both the club level 1-bedroom suite and the Skyview suite and give it a rating. So we are giving them a 9 out of 10 and I can't wait to show you inside, so let's go. So we upgraded to an Oceanfront Room. And wait till you see. Amazing, amazing. It has 2 bathrooms. So here's the first bathroom right here, which is nice. And then look, it has its own separate just sitting area really. Table, sofa, TV, even a little bar that you could sit here. But this is why you go on vacation. Wow, oh my God. And wait till you see the patio. Huge. The seating area. Our own jacuzzi tub right here. Oh my God, I'm completely blown away. It's gorgeous. So one of the reasons for the 9 out of 10 was the loud music that you heard in the previous video. Even though we shot this in the late afternoon, they do start their music around 8:30 in the morning. So if you like to sleep in, this is not the room for you. We did not mind it because we were always up early, but definitely I thought it was worth mentioning if you are considering requesting this room. I loved the fact that there were 2 separate areas, one for sleeping, one for sitting, and again, everything was so super clean. They came and cleaned the entire room every single day and gave us fresh towels, changed the beds, and then if there was anything that you needed or wanted, all you had to do was request it or even contact your butler and he would bring it to you. They had the double sinks, a whole extra bathroom, which was a nice perk. The bathtub we never used, but they had another bathroom. And then they did have the rainfall shower. The water pressure was not the best, but also not the worst. And I found in resorts that's usually the case. A few nitpicky things. One was the sofa in the sitting area was made of velour and it was always damp and felt like it wasn't clean, which makes sense because in the Dominican Republic it's very humid. So it just didn't really fit in with the decor. And there are 2 TVs, one in the sitting area, one in the bedroom, but they also seemed a little outdated. However, I'm not a huge TV watcher. In fact, I never watch TV when I'm on vacation, but I thought I should mention it. Overall, the room was exceptional and was one of the highlights of our trip. They had a great mini fridge as well, and it was always stocked with whatever you wanted as long as the resort had it. All you had to do was ask your butler and he would get you what you wanted. And during the day, they would stock it as well. If you wanted liquor, they would get you a bottle of liquor as long as they had it there in the resort. We did take advantage of the 24-hour room service one morning, actually 2 mornings, and it was really good. It was so nice just to really take advantage of that nice balcony, enjoy the view, and just relax while you're on vacation. And again, the service was really, really good. They even had this compartment right when you enter the room that they could deliver the room service if you didn't want them to come into the room. And then when you were done, you could put all the dishes in there so that you didn't have to put them outside of your door, so the resort remained really clean and animal-free. Our 3 days in Tres Noches travel companions opted for the Rooftop Suite, which was a little bit of different layout in the first floor where the bathrooms and the sleeping area and the sitting area were all in one section. They did have a little balcony off of the sitting area, but then you go up the stairs to this incredible rooftop deck. It had a huge jacuzzi and a sitting area, and they absolutely loved it. Again, it made the experience that much better. They did actually have a room when they first got there that they did not like. It was the same rooftop deck, but the jacuzzi tub was not filling up with water. So again, the advantage of having that butler, Jeffrey took care of it right away, and he actually put them right next to us, so it all worked out. We would love to know what's important to you in booking a room at a resort on vacation. Is it the size, the view, the amenities? Maybe it's the bed, the bathrooms, or the TVs, or the minibar, whatever it is, comment below so that the next time we do a review and tour, we know what to focus on for you. I do respond to all comments and questions, and we are not travel agents or trying to book travel for you. We are just making reviews because we know how hard it is to find the perfect resort when you're vacationing when you've never been there before. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and follow us on 3 Days and Tres Noches while we take you on fun, exciting, and affordable adventures and vacations that you can have in a really short amount of time.